So if you've been following me, you know this is Penny. If you're in Corpus Christi, Texas, I need a foster for this little girl. She had been dropped at Flynn Parkway, which is a fairway right by Saratoga, which is a big road that we were afraid she kept crossing. She needs somebody that'll take her in that really doesn't have a lot of dogs. Somebody that will give her some time. She was out by herself and maybe a dog attacked her. She has a hurt foot. She had a hurt foot. It's getting better. We had to trap her. And I feel really bad because she's in boarding. But we need a foster for her. And it's got to be somebody that's willing to have some patience with her. She's a little bit like a hyper. And I don't want it to be with her to be with like other dogs. So if you can't afford a dog and want to have some company, she has a rescue. Faith and Hope is her rescue. If anybody's interested in adopting her, Faith and Hope is her rescue. And